Fuck off. I ain't want your fucking black cooties.
Okay, make me party leader.
Bro, what? Did you spit out your water or something? I heard something fucking come out of your mouth.
I really have to go take a. Tim Luck.
I feel so bad.
Work.
Booga booga.
Work.
Oh yeah, work.
And he's sniping up there, like as if he's cool or something. Like
do
obviously
we gotta
he's
go
not
diddy
cool.
him?
Yes.
We're gonna go diddy him?
Yes.
I'm ready to diddy children. Let's go.
You tell me to move and I don't know where to move to.
Stop moving! Just stay in that box, right there.
Okay.
What the fuck?
I'm sorry. That was so funny. I just saw him sped by. That was really good. I've been thinking about it all day.
Bro, do you have like some sexual relationship with the fucking cake? I've been thinking about it all day. Mmm. Yummy.
Are you making fun of me because I'm fat?
If you don't shut your ass up, I swear to God, bruh. That is not what I'm saying. You know damn well that's not what I'm saying.
Okay, pull it up.
Monkey boy. I swear I'm not racist. I saw Monkey Boy. Look, Monkey Boy. You thought I was just being racist, didn't you?
Yeah.
Guys, I'm not racist anymore. Monkey Boy!
Is it him that we were fighting?
Monkey Boy!
Try some save the world. Pardon.
Did you just say pardon? There's no fucking pardon for that. What the fuck? Oopsies.
Oopsie poopsies.
Ew! Ew! What the fuck is this zesty ass emote?
Bet?
Yeah.
Yeah, I went to look at that. Oh.
Oh, fuck no.
That.
This is the zestiest emote.
I've been looking for like a dual emote for us to get. So that after we victory royale, we can do a funny one.
This
But
is
there's no
so
funny ones.
zesty.
Oh. Well, our school doesn't offer any extra credit whatsoever.
Well, that fucking sucks to be you, I guess. I mean, fucking suck my dick dry or something.
No thanks.
Pre-fired! Oh, I heard her load it up. She's fighting that sound like she's gonna say that word. She goes, oh, she's gonna say that word! She's gonna say it! I hear it!
Actually, shut up. You made me die.
No, I didn't. You made yourself die. And you were about to rip that word. I could hear it. She was going,
So annoying.
Oh, no, now it's letting me already up. Good boy. Fuck this shit.
Yeah.
Ew. I can just pre-fire. Like, I know what you're gonna say. It's actually so stupid.
Penis.
Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Babe!
Hey,
It's like,
get away from my board.
It's like schools in America! It's aim training! Ah! Bro, they're teaming! Like
Those
what
weirdos.
If they don't win after teaming, that's actually fucking sad.
Can we play something else?
I broke my desk. Mexicans and all, I'm the best fucking hopper! Okay? Border hopper, Fortnite hopper, anything hopper, I'm the best hopper! Get it?
Oh, this dude dead.
He wasn't Mexican. See, Mexicans win that these. That dude's definitely Mexican.
Dominator.
He's definitely Mexican. Actually,
His
no,
name's Dominator.
He's not Mexican.
McKexian.
Hate me back, baby. Oh my god, I just got fucking kicked. People are slide kicking.
That's really.
And they just kicked me. You bitch! It was you! Fuck you!
I was like, shit, that's really smart.
And then you fucking kicked me up. I actually fucking hate you.
I'm sorry.
No, fuck you. Like, bro, this kid is so bad. Bro, what? He's using simple edit and he's still ass. He's just simply ass.